session, everyone. I will just record this session as well. Maybe if you need it in future, you can always refer. Maybe if you want, I will upload it. So first of all, everyone tell me, I think like when I was there at your campus, at that time only I asked you, and I think many of you have already done it. Everyone, do you have this MongoDB installed, all of you, on your machine? Can I expect that now MongoDB is running fine on your machine? Is it properly installed? Is it working? All of you? Is MongoDB installed on your machine, everyone? Yes or no? Okay, Suraj is saying yes. Shraddha, Kushi, Vaishnavi, Aman. Fine. So I think it is working. Okay. So everyone see, these operations we will do. And if we get time, then we will go with some advanced operation, something like map reduce as well. Is it fine, everyone? We will try to see some basic CRUD operations. That is nothing but creating a database, right? Reading the data from the database, updating the database, and deleting the database. These are the things, everyone, which we will be doing. Fine. Are you getting my point, all of you? Everyone? Fine. Okay, just a minute. So I can see, okay, only one reply. I hope others also able to understand. So create, read, update, delete the data from the database. These things, everyone, we will go and we will try to talk about. So first thing first, everyone, what I will do is I will go and I will try to start MongoDB in my case, which you are saying that you have already installed it. So I will go to command prompt. If this is not running in someone else's case, please let me know. I will tell you that one as well. So hope it is visible to you, everyone. I will just type mongo sh and enter, and you should be able to see the prompt of MongoDB. Right? By default, it is always connected to test database, which is by default available in case of MongoDB. And here, everyone, as I go and if I type show DBS, you will be able to see all the databases. If you remember, when we have discussed in offline session, everyone, I created this particular database, right? I shown it to you. We created this particular database in your case. I hope this is there, right? For example, all of you, as you know, we can create database with the command use. So let us suppose if I create database, let's say I will create a database named as today and I will enter. Now everyone, show DBS now if I do, so I should be able to see the database listed here. Are you getting my point, everyone? I should be able to see this today database listed here. Am I right, everyone? Are you getting my point? I have created database today with the help of this particular command. And after this, if I go and if I type show DBS, that particular database should be listed here. Fine. Others, I hope you are also getting my point. One more point, everyone. If you have any language problem, anything, don't worry, you can ask your questions. I want everyone to do this. I want everyone to execute all these things, whatever I am showing. Even that PDF file is also there with you. I already shared that particular PDF file in the last session with you. Okay. So I'm expecting that you people have joined this particular session not from your mobile phone, but from your laptop or from your desktop, whatever it is. Laptop or desktop, not from mobile phone. Mobile phone will not do, everyone. Let me tell you. So I'll be expecting that you people are typing each and everything, whatever I'm showing you. If you have any problem with language, let me know. I can talk English, Hindi and Marathi. 3 languages I know very well. So anyway, language is not a problem. And another thing, everyone, if you find out that I'm moving fast, please let me know. You can let me know in the chat box if you want me to unmute you. Right now, I have muted everyone because unnecessarily it will cause disturbance. That's why. So I have muted everyone intentionally. But if you want me to unmute you, if you want to ask any question, you can ask. Is it clear, everyone? Is this clear, all of you? If someone wants me to unmute you, everyone, please let me know. Fine. Thank you. Okay. So everyone see now, as you people said that if I use this command use and name of database, it will create database. I'm connected to that database. Now, if I type show DBS, I should be able to see the database name here, right? But can you see, everyone? I'm not able to see the name of the database here. Now, it's a basic thing. Can anyone tell me why? Why are we not able to see the name of the database, that is today, after typing show DBS? Why I am not able to see that? Everyone, I think you are getting my question, right? Like how MongoDB basically works. I created the database named as today. I am typing show DBS, but I'm not able to see the name of the database listed here. I'm not able to see that. Why? There is no collection in the database. There is no document in the database. I hope this thing everyone knows, right, Suraj? That is right. So all of you always remember there should be at least one document in your database. If document is there, that means there is a collection. So what I should have done is my current database is today dot any collection name you can give. Let's suppose today is what? Today is Friday. So I will have a collection named as Friday, and inside that, everyone, I am going to insert a document. What is the document? Now you people are very much aware about that. Document is always represented in curly braces, right? So fine, I will create a document here. Let's say maybe a document, you can have different values to a document, everyone. Let's suppose serial number, I will give it as serial, something like this, serial number. Okay. Let's say 1. It's a key and value. Another thing is, let's suppose team. Here I will give, let's say, team name as India. Okay. Some simple document I have created, everyone. Right. So you can see this particular document is inserted. I hope you are also doing it, everyone. If you are not able to type it fast, please check it out. I am sending the command in the chat box as well. I will send it to everyone. Please check this, everyone. In the chat box, I send the command. So db dot collection name dot insert, I am able to do it. I am able to insert it. And now if I go and if I type show DBS, now I'll be able to see the name of the database. That is nothing but today. Right? So previously, everyone, we discussed about simple commands. Even I've told you, if you press tab button, it will show all the commands. Current database dot name of the collection is Friday dot I want to find. So I just go and I just type find and enter. I'll be able to see the document here. And you can see, everyone, this also I explain it to you. Object ID. So what is object ID? It's a hexadecimal number, right? The PDF which I have shared with you, everyone, in that it is already explained what is object ID. 12 bytes hexadecimal number, unique for every document in a collection. It is unique for every document. 12 bytes are divided like this. 4 bytes for timestamp plus 3 bytes for machine ID, 4 plus 3, 7. 2 bytes for process ID, that is 9, and 9 plus 3, 3 bytes are for incrementer. This is how that hexadecimal number is basically divided. Okay. So always remember everyone, this object ID is a unique ID for every document. For every document it is created in case of MongoDB. That's a simple thing about MongoDB. So fine. Anyway, we have collection here. And even I have shown you compass. If someone is not able to use this command prompt, please let me know. MongoDB compass everyone. Now, if I go and if I use it, here you should be able to see that particular database. So first time whenever you go, when you try to start MongoDB compass, you'll be able to see something like this, new connection. Just click on connect. You know the port number 27017 is the port number on which MongoDB runs. And here everyone, you should be able to see the database which you created. You can see it, right? Today is the name of the database which you are able to see here. You can check it out. Today is the name of the database. In between, if anyone, any doubt, any question, please let me know. I'm again telling you, language is not a problem, everyone. Just let me know if you have any doubt, any question. I'm expecting that you people are joining from your laptop or desktop, not from mobile phone. So fine, I'll go click on this. I'll be able to see the information about the database. I'm able to see the collection name Friday. I'll click on this. And inside this, I'll be able to see serial number 1 and Team India. You can check this out. That is what our document is, right? In the collection Friday. And there are other options you can see. If you click on explain, it will explain you, right, what this particular collection all about. So you have options. You can check it out. You can zoom it. You can unzoom it, and execution time, how much. It's going to give the details about that particular document or that query, whatever you have filed. This is a simple document even. Coming to this particular PDF which you already have, I hope you must have gone through this. You can see everyone, we have used this particular commands already. I already asked you, if you type DB, it will show current database name. In my case, the database name is today. If you want to show list of databases, if you want to insert, this also we have seen even. So I hope you must have tried all these things. How to insert document. So what happens even in case of MongoDB, if you talk about commands, if this is my current database and let's say this is my collection, and if I press tab button, you will be able to see all these methods. Now what has happened, MongoDB has added some new commands, and earlier commands are basically deprecated. They are not used. They are not being used. They are old. MongoDB doesn't support that now. So see, if I want to check it out, what are the commands which are starting with IN? So you can see there is insert mini, there is insert one. There is nothing like insert now. There is either insert one or insert mini. So if you want to insert only one document even, you can use insert one. No need to go with something like insert only. Right? So if you want to see all the commands starting with I, just type I, press tab button, you'll be able to see all these things. Is prototype of insert many, insert one, is capped, and so on. So these are the 6 commands which are starting with I. How am I able to see it even? Database dot Friday, that is collection name, dot I, and then I press tab button. So I am able to see all these things. Are you getting my point, all of you? Everyone? Are you getting this? Whatever I am talking about, these are the simple things I am trying to show you, everyone. If you feel that you know this, let me know. I'm just talking about these things. How to create database, how to create collection, and now how to insert a document. Fine. Now next thing, everyone, as we want to talk about CRUD operations, right? So fine, anyway, this one you can see insert one command. So I'm not going to type it. This particular document you already have, everyone. So you can check it out. I will just take this particular db dot collection name dot insert one, and I am going to insert this particular command. So if you remember, everyone, at the time of offline session as well, I have told you, if you want to just copy paste those commands which I have given you in the PDF, You make sure that you first of all type it or just get it into notepad first. Okay. And then you go and you work on it like this. You just arrange it properly and then copy from text or notepad and then come here everyone and then try to just paste it, because anyway I've given a lot of examples there. If you want to use that, you can use it. See, I pasted that command, enter, and now I'm able to see that that particular document is inserted. If you want this, you can check it out everyone. I'm sending it in the chat box. I send that command to everyone. This is nothing different everyone. What am I using is I am using insert1. Database name dot collection name. I am inserting one document. In that document, we have item as a key, canvas as a value, quantity as a key, 100 as a value, tags as a key, cotton as a value, size as a key, and this as a value. Height 28, weight 35.5, and unit of measurement is centimeter. UOM is nothing but unit of measurement. So that is centimeter. So this particular document is inserted in the collection inventory. If you want to check it out, db.inventory, I am simply pressing tab button. That's why I'm able to complete it. .find. If you press tab button, everyone, it will auto-complete. Check this out. So you can see everyone, I have this particular document inserted. Right? For this document, object ID is created, which is the hexadecimal number, which is unique. We already seen that. So I have shown you a command insert1. With the help of insert1 command, you can insert only one document. This command I have sent it to you in the chat box as well. Those who joined late, I hope they are also able to understand whatever is going here. They are also able to understand whatever we are doing. I hope so. If not, please let me know in the chat box if you have any doubt, any question, anything. Language doesn't matter. You just let me know in the chat box, even if you want me to unmute you. So do not hesitate to ask any question. If you already know this, let me know that. Okay. If someone has already tried this, because this PDF file I have already shared with you. Now, one more point, even see this particular thing. If I want to insert more than one document, so I can use insert many. Okay. So see everyone, something like this, insert many. So db.collection name.insert many. Make sure even these brackets should be proper basically. So that's what I will do is I will copy it one by one. I'll go to this and I'll copy that particular command one by one, because many times I have seen that from PDF, if you go and if you copy everyone, you will get problems. Okay, so this is the part of that particular line. Okay. So after this comma, I am going to copy this document. See how am I copying it even? This comma. Okay. So bracket should be proper. Bracket should be proper, everyone see. And then you copy this particular thing. Why am I doing it like this, everyone? Through PDF, if you directly copy paste, unnecessarily you will get some unwanted characters. And finally, this particular thing. Hope it is properly done. Let us see everyone. So insert many is the command which I am trying to use it here. Now I'll go paste it, enter, and now see everyone. I am able to insert all the documents. If you want it, check this everyone. I sent it in the chat box. So database.inventory, insert many, you need to use square brackets like this everyone, and you can insert it. Otherwise, you can see item journal, quantity 25, tags blank and red, size, height, weight, and unit of measurement. Then item match, quantity 85, tags gray, size is this, and then item mousepad, then tags, and so on. So this is how everyone we are able to insert more than one document with the help of insert many. If I wanted to show you, fine, we can go and we can show db dot inventory is the collection name dot find. And now everyone, you should be able to see all the documents. See this. You should be able to see all the documents here. Canvas, cotton, then journal, blank grade, matte gray, mouse pad. So we are able to see all these documents. If you want to see the same thing in case of MongoDB Compass as well, you can go and you can check it out. Fine. I hope you are able to see it here. Close this. Click on today, go to Friday. You should be able to see all those documents here. Okay. What is that database name? Okay. Inventory is the collection name. I'll click on today. So collection name is inventory. Current database also I need to check it out. What is my current database? Okay. Today is my current database. So in today itself, everyone, you should be able to see another collection, that is inventory. I'll go refresh it. Refresh this. Now click on today. And yes, can you see everyone? I am able to see a collection named as inventory in the database today. This is the collection name, right? This is nothing but what? This is collection. So what I will do is, so you just need to go and refresh this if you are creating a new collection. So I'll click on inventory now. And can you see everyone? I am able to see all that data. Just check it out. Canvas size is an array. That's why you are able to see it here. Journal. There are different tags, blank and red. In this, we have a tag cotton. So you can check it out. We are able to see all the documents. Every document has object ID. Every document has object ID. We can see everyone. Last part of that object ID is incrementer. See 4. You can see last part of this 4. 5. You can check it out. 6, 7. This is nothing but what? Incrementer. We call it as incrementer. So same thing I am able to see from here as well, everyone. I hope those who join late, either they know already all these things or they are doing it. If someone is having any doubt, anything, please let me know. It should not happen that, okay, it's an online session and then we are not able to understand anything. If that is the case, anyone, please let me know if you have any doubt. I can see near about 40 people have joined. Some people have joined late. This is for you, everyone. So just make sure that if you have any question, any doubt, you ask it. And again, I am going to repeat, if you feel that, okay, we know this, let me know. I will move with the next topic, everyone. Okay, so we have seen how to insert one document, more than one document. Now everyone see, to save the document, earlier save command was used. To save a document, earlier save command was used. But what's going to happen now that save command is not supported. So if you check this out, let's say, see, even earlier what was happening basically, if you use dot save means it will be inserted and it will be saved. But now what they done is, they have removed save command from MongoDB. And now they are using only insert. So if you insert, by default, it will be saved. Are you getting my point, even? There is nothing like save now. If you really want to confirm that, db dot inventory dot, you just check it out, S. Which are the commands starting with S? There are only 2 commands, storage size and stats. So these are the only 2 commands which are starting with S. I checked it out with the help of tab button. See, if you want to check out storage size, you go here, enter, and can you see everyone? Our inventory collection. How much is the storage size? 36864 bytes. Okay, this is the number of bytes. This is the size in bytes. So if you want to see how much storage size inventory collection, can anyone tell me? Everyone, can anyone tell me? Let's say we have a database, like I think you are aware about PostgreSQL, right? Or any relational database. you are aware about relational database, and we are talking about NoSQL database. So can you tell me, everyone, in relational database, we seen table. So table corresponds to what? In case of non-relational database like MongoDB, a basic thing, everyone. Table corresponds to what? Collection, right? And row corresponds to what? In case of MongoDB, table is a collection and row is what, everyone? Right, Suraj. That is nothing but document. Okay. Row is nothing but document. So again, whatever the size which you are able to see, this particular size basically is what? It is the size for that particular collection. That means all the documents. How much size is required for all those documents? That particular size, everyone, it is showing us in bytes. So the point is, there is no save command now. If you insert, it will be saved. Okay, that's how it is. And yes, this particular thing I already shown it to everyone. That object ID, it's a unique number. Okay. Now to insert multiple documents in single query, you can pass an array of documents. So everyone see now, there is nothing like insert. No need to, earlier it was there. But now there is nothing like insert. You have only insert and you have insert one and insert many. So let's suppose if I want to insert all these things, everyone. If I want to insert all these things. Okay, let me show you. This I will just try to paste it in the notepad once again. Okay, db dot insert if I use, and if I try to insert all these things, I'll just get it on one line, everyone, so that there should not be any problem. Fine, something like this. So we have some data here. Fine. Then you have other document as well. Something like this. So one needs to add all these things properly, everyone. Otherwise, in PDF, as I've told you, it will give you a lot of problem. This might not run, maybe, because in PDF, if you miss any comma, anything, everyone, you will get an error. This is how it is going to happen. I hope if you have not tried it, you will definitely go and try out all these things, everyone, whatever I'm showing you here. Okay. Fine. This one, something like this. Okay. This is just a document area which we are trying to add. And yes, something like this. Those brackets should be very properly added. The first is this curly brace, curly square, curly square. So curly brace square, curly brace square. And then parenthesis, everyone, at the end. So if it is right, I should be able to insert it. Otherwise, again, if it is not right, I'll get an error. I am trying to insert it with the help of something like insert command. Let me check it out. Okay, fine. It is showing me error. Unterminated string constant. Something like this it is showing me. So maybe I might have missed some comma. So it is showing you somewhere here. There is a problem in my command. So if you get any error, in case of MongoDB, yes, it tells you. So the best way to do something like this one, everyone, is with the help of insert many. And obviously, as I said, you just try to, if you are using the same data, you just try to copy this line by line. Okay. One line each time you copy this, and then you will be done. That's how you should be doing it. Okay. Fine. So I hope you understand that. You will do that again. This save command. Let me show you this save command as well. If I go and if I try to run save command, even as I said, save command is deprecated. See, db.fruit, I am creating a collection named as fruit dot save. Save is not a function now. It is not available now. So they are expecting now, instead of this, you directly make use of either insert one or insert one only, no? Not even insert many. Okay. So just use it and you will be able to see that it's going to create a collection named as fruit. This is how it is going to run. There is nothing like save. You see, we have a collection named as fruit. It is saved as well. If you use insert or insert one, by default, that particular collection will be saved. Fine. Hope you will go and you will do it. Now everyone see, save, as I said, it is not there. Earlier it was there. That's why all these things are shown here. There is something called as batch insert, but now as you already have something like insert mini, so no need to worry about something like insert. It is not supported. Coming to validation, let me show you how to validate a particular document. So as you can see here, what am I doing is I am creating a collection. See, if someone is thinking that, okay, I want to validate a collection which is already created, it is not going to make any sense even. The collection, if it is already created, why will you validate it? You try to validate before creating collection. So see, what this particular command doing is, everyone, we are trying to create a collection. I am using a command called as create collection. Let me see it's available or not. So I am creating a collection called as contacts. And we are adding some validating conditions. Phone number should be of type string. Email should have a regular expression like this, @mongodb.com. Okay, and status, either it should be unknown or incomplete. Okay, so any one of this condition, as it is written or means this condition or this condition or this, it will validate. Okay, and otherwise it will give us error, validation error. This is how it is going to work. Let me show you and see. I'll try to copy these things. One needs to do it like this. You see, line balance. From this PDF, we'll do it. Contacts collection I am creating. Validator, I am using or. Or means what, everyone? Or means any one of that particular condition should be true. Anyone. Anyone. You can check it out even how am I doing it. Just line by line I am going. Okay. Then this email, the first condition is for phone. Second condition is for email. Third condition, everyone, is for status. Status should be either unknown or incomplete. Now I will show you. I will try to insert some data in this and then we will try to check it out. How it is going to validate. Okay. The square bracket should be closed. Curly bracket and then comma should be there. And then validation error. It should print error, validation error. You can have some other message as well. That is not a problem area. And then curly brace and parenthesis. Complete the curly brace and parenthesis. Okay, so what this particular command doing, everyone? This is going to create a collection named as contacts. But for that collection, what we have is we have some validation condition. Phone number, either it should be string or email address should have a regular expression like MongoDB @mongodb.com, or your status should be either unknown or incomplete. I hope you are getting my point. I will, once it runs everyone, I will send the command in the chat box as well. I'm pasting it. Let me check this out. So fine, see everyone. I am getting a reply. Yes, it is created. I am sending it to you in the chat box. All of you, please check this. This is another way of creating a collection with the help of the command called as create collection. Okay, till now what we are doing, everyone, database name dot collection. But if you want to create a collection by having some validation condition, you actually use something like this, create collection, and then give the condition. Now in this collection, everyone, see, in this collection, that is contacts, which is there in my current database. Here I will go, I will refresh database. I will go to today. I should be able to see a collection called as contacts. See, everyone, see contacts. In contacts, right now there is nothing. I clicked on contacts, right now there is nothing. Now in the contacts, everyone, I will go and I will try to insert some document. And I will check it out. If any one of those conditions, if it is not satisfied, what will happen? Or, okay, that was the or condition. The condition is basically based on phone, right? Phone number, email, and status. Just a minute, everyone. Just a minute. Okay, finally, see. So see all of you. Now I will go and I will try to insert, sorry, not in inventory. I will try to insert in contacts. Okay, contacts dot insert. I hope you people are able to create the collection contacts. So db dot contacts dot insert. Now you can see I will insert a document where I will try to insert, let's say, email ID. Okay, I will try to insert an email. You can see again we have some key, right? We have some key like email here. So I'm just inserting email. No need to insert all these keys. Okay, I am simply inserting email. And here, let's suppose I will give my email ID here. yogeshpm5555 @gmail.com. Fine. Let us see. I will enter. So let me check it out. What has happened, everyone? Let me see what has happened. Can you see, everyone? Uncaught. Mongo bulk write error. Document failed validation. Can you see? Because in the validation condition, we are saying that the email ID should be from this particular domain only, @mongodb.com. This is called as regex, everyone. It's a regular expression. So if I am using @gmail.com, yahoo.com, hotmail.com, yahoo.co.in, it will be invalid. It will accept only those email IDs where we have @mongodb.com. Are you able to understand my point, everyone? That's why it is showing me document failed validation. Because our condition was like that. That's why. So are you getting my point, everyone? Because now I will try to insert an email ID with a domain instead of this @gmail.com, I will do it as mongodb.com. See, those who are not able to hear me, anything, any doubt you have, please ask. Speed, if I am moving forward very fast, if you are not able to type it, anything, let me know before leaving. @mongodb.com, everyone, you can see this. Let me go, let me check it out. Can you see now, everyone? It has inserted my document. Because now the email ID is having a domain, mongodb.com. It allows mongodb.com. Why? Because in the validation condition, we have given it like this. If you want to see that, db dot contacts is our collection. Dot, I want to see what is the document which is inserted. And now you can see everyone, this document is inserted. All of you, are you getting my point? आपको समझ रहा है क्या everyone? Again, I am telling you, if language is a problem, let me know. If I am moving too fast, let me know. If I am moving too slow, let me know. If you know already all these things, please let me know. So are you getting my point, everyone? Whatever we have done here, are you able to understand that? Okay, Kushi, I will repeat it. Fine, I can see the other people are saying they are able to understand it. I will repeat validation once again. Okay, so see, you already have this particular query. Whatever the query which is there in front of you now, you already have this query, right? Kushi, I think this particular query, it is there. I already sent it in the chat box as well. Right? This particular query, you already have it. Okay, I am once again going to explain it. Make sure everyone, I am sending it in the chat box. Please check it out. I am sending the query in the chat box. Fine. Just make sure you go, you run it. See, I will explain it once again. What I told you everyone, whenever you want to have some validation condition should be on the collection in which you are going to insert the document, right? Like before insert, let's suppose you are filling up your examination form. And if you do not enter your first name, you entered your first name as 123. Is it possible, everyone? No. First name should be, see, you are filling up your examination form. First name, middle name, last name, mobile number, address, city, and so on. So first name should be what? First name should be string. But if you are entering 123, they should not be accepted because 123 cannot be name of any person. So everyone, you should have some validator on your collection. Right? Are you getting my point? So what we have done is DB, that means your current database. My current database is today. Create collection. We are creating a collection named as contacts. And inside that, we are adding some validation condition. What is that validation condition? So validation condition, we add it like this. In curly bracket, validator, then colon, and then in curly bracket or. Why we have given or, everyone? Because if any one of these condition fails for phone number or for email ID, for phone number or for email ID or for status, if any one of these condition fails, it should show us validation error. That's why or. If I would have used $and, it means it will check out all the conditions. Are you getting my point? And or, I think everyone understand how and works, how or works. So we have used or. So phone number we are checking. $type. $type means what? This is a keyword even. Okay. So $type. That means the phone number variable, phone number value. Phone number is a key. Phone number is basically a key. So phone number key, it should have a value of the type string only. If it is number, it should not be validated. It should not be accepted. Email ID. We are using $regex. Regex means what, even? Regex. Regex basically stands for regular expression. Now, what is the regular expression? Regular expression is an expression. Let's say 5 multiplied by 4 is an expression, arithmetic expression. So what is the regular expression which we are using? This slash. This slash is nothing but escape character. Escape character means if you want to use some wild characters, @ colon and so on. So I am using @. So I am trying to say that if an email ID contains, @mongodb.com, if an email ID contains @mongodb.com, dollar means what? Dollar means end. Dollar means end. So if an email ID is ending with @mongodb.com, then only it should be accepted. Other than this, if anything is there, that particular email ID should not be accepted. That is what this regular expression is doing, everyone. Now, how I came to know that I should be using regex? For that, you go, you refer the document, you start reading about it. regex, अगर आपको कुछ कंडीशन देनी है तो वो कंडीशन हम ऐसे लिखते हैं. अगर आपको ये फाइंड आउट करना है कि लेट से आपके स्ट्रिंग में स्पेसिफिक कैरेक्टर या स्पेसिफिक स्ट्रिंग है क्या, तो यू यूज रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन. Are you getting my point? Regex is a regular expression. So in my email ID, if I am having MongoDB @mongodb.com, then only it should be accepted. Otherwise not. Status. So status in is a keyword. So status should be either unknown or incomplete. इन दोनों में से अगर एक स्टेटस है, स्टेटस की वैल्यू either unknown है या फिर incomplete है, then only accept it. Otherwise not. Stated is, let's say suppose someone is writing down status completed. No, don't accept it. Don't accept it because we have been given the validator. So our validator is saying that you accept only those documents, where the phone number is having string type of data, email ID contains @mongodb.com, and status should be either unknown or incomplete. Then only you accept it. Otherwise, show the error. Is it clear, Khushi? This is the validator. And I already shown it to you. I even run it. When I try to insert an email ID like this, @yahoo.com or @gmail.com, it will not accept it. You will get an error. See? Same is the case. If you try to do it for status, or if you try to do it for phone number, you will get errors. See, we are getting errors. Nothing is inserted. You can check it. We are getting error. But if you try to insert a document, everyone, where all these things are satisfied, then fine. There is no problem at all. So I think you are getting right. So let's suppose your email ID is Khushi@mongodb.com. So it will accept, because in our regular expression we given that this particular document will be inserted. You can check this. True. I want to see that. I can go and I can see it. db.contacts.find, and I should be able to see it. See, these are the two documents, 1 and 2. And even I can go and I can see those two documents here as well. So if I go to contacts, close this, once again click on contacts, and you can see these two documents are added. Right? I hope it is clear to you. I hope it is clear to others as well. So fine, everyone, this is how you can go and you can run it. And now one more point. Let us suppose if you want to remove some document. If you want to remove document, even earlier there was a command remove. Now this remove command also they have removed it. Remove doesn't work. You can actually have something like delete or delete one. Delete or delete one you have. So let's suppose in our case, everyone, we already have the inventory collection, right? Let me show you. See, in the inventory collection, db.inventory. Let me use find. So in the inventory collection, everyone, we have all these data. You also have, if someone is following me from the start itself, you also have all these things, everyone. db.inventory.find I have done, and I am able to see canvas, journal, and then a mat, and then mouse pad, and so on. Let us suppose, everyone, I want to delete this particular document where item is journal. I want to delete this document. I want to remove this document where the item is journal. Fine, you can go and you can remove it. Current database, inventory is the collection. If you check remove command is not there. Remove command is not there. Earlier it was there. Now they are using something like delete. Okay, delete. Delete many is there and delete one is there. I want to delete one document. So I will use delete one. And inside this, everyone, you give that particular document. Like whatever the condition, like this. Item mousepad, right? So what item we want to delete? Anyway, mousepad also you want to delete it, you can go and you can delete that. So let's say I want to delete which item? Journal, right? So I want to delete journal item, this one. So fine, we can go and we can give this one even. Item journal. I already copied it. I'll go here and paste it. Okay. Journal, spelling should be right. And let me see whether it's going to delete it or not. So can you see everyone? Deleted count is 1. Acknowledge true. That means yes, that particular command has run successfully. And now if I go and if I try to do database name dot inventory dot find, now I'll be able to see journal will not be there. You can check it out here. db.inventory.find, canvas is there, mat is there, mousepad is there, but journal is not there. It is deleted. Same thing if you go and if you try to see it here, in this case, in inventory, you will not even see journal here. Check it out. Only 3 documents are there. Only 3 documents. Okay, like 4 documents basically. So to delete a document, everyone, what you have is delete many or delete one. Is it clear, all of you? How to delete? Remove is deprecated, remove is not used now. There is something like delete many and delete one. Is this clear, everyone? How to delete? So we have seen creating a document, like creating a collection, inserting a document inside the collection, then inserting more than one document only, right? Creating a collection with some validation condition, validating a document. Then we discussed about deleting a document as well. Or even same thing, you can go and you can delete more than one document as well with the help of something like delete many. Fine. Now next thing, everyone, as we have seen deleting, let's see update, whether it's going to work or not. Update. So fine, you can actually use this one. Let's say create a new document, create a new collection. You can copy this even. We will try to see how to update a document. I hope it is copied properly. Let me see. Yes. So I have created a collection even called as YPM. Current database dot YPM collection dot find I will do. And you can see everyone. In this I have some documents. MongoDB overview, NoSQL overview. Title is MongoDB overview, title is NoSQL overview, and title is big data overview. Now I want to update. I want to update one document. Let us see how. You can check this here, okay? Whatever the command which I have copied, I am sending it in the chat box as well. Those who joined just now, I hope they are also getting it. If you are not getting, everyone, please let me know. If any doubt, anything, others, let me know. So you can see, everyone, I am able to see all these 3 documents. Now, let's update it. So how to update, everyone? We have update command. So what am I doing is, I am just updating a document and just trying to change the title. See, earlier title is MongoDB overview. The title which I am trying to give is, see, $set title, new MongoDB tutorial with Yogesh Murumkar. Can you see? Title is what? MongoDB overview. That title I am trying to change it. You can see it, right? Title is MongoDB overview here. Instead of this title, I want different title. Even you can check this out here as well. If you go to Wipe. If you go to today, and here you should be able to see a collection. Everyone, refresh it. Refresh this. You should be able to see a collection YPM. Inside this also see MongoDB overview, NoSQL overview, and big data overview. Instead of MongoDB overview, what we want is we want it something like this. New MongoDB tutorial with Yogesh Murumkar. Something like this we want. So what I will do, everyone, I will go here, I will paste it. Okay, fine. We need to copy and paste it properly. Let me just go here, paste that. Let us see what is missing. db.ybm.update title MongoDB overview $set title new MongoDB tutorial with Yogesh Murumkar. Bracket should be closed properly. Let us copy this once again and let us see. Yes. Can you see, everyone? Instead of this, we want this, right? So match count is 1, modified count is 1, and we are able to see the acknowledgement as 2. Now you check this out, even. Okay, let me just stop this video. You check it out. Right, everyone? I think you are able to see this. Earlier in this document, we were having MongoDB overview, right? Something like this. Now you can see that that particular thing is updated with what? New MongoDB tutorial with Yogesh Murumkar. So what we are using even is, we are use update. And again, they are giving us warning. They are saying that update is deprecated. Deprecated means it is older one. Do not use that now. They are saying that if you want to update only one document, use update one. Or if you want to update many documents, you use update many. Right? Or bulk write. Is this clear, all of you? Update, how to update a document. So we have seen create, read, update, and delete. CRUD operations we have seen even. Is this clear? Like if someone is listening me. Okay, fine. Thank you, everyone. So I can see replies. People are saying yes. Okay. And even you can check it out in MongoDB Compass as well. You go to MongoDB Compass here. And earlier it was MongoDB overview, right? I will simply go and refresh this. Refresh it. Close it. Click on YPM. And can you see? New MongoDB tutorial with Yogesh Murumkar. It is also updated. And even I have shown you connectivity part as well, right? Maybe if we get a chance, we will try to talk about this in coming session. Connectivity part as well, we will talk about. So if you go and if you try to do connectivity of MongoDB with Python or something else, in that as well, you will see that you can go and you can easily update the document even. You can do that. Okay. Fine. Okay. I can see replies, everyone. I hope everyone is able to understand it. And see, everyone, document replacement. If you want to replace the whole document itself. So db.collection.replace one. Filtering condition, replacement and options. This is a syntax. It replaces a single document within the collection based on the filter. Filter is nothing but the condition which you want. Replace one method has this format. You need to give filter and then replacement and then upsert. Upsert is nothing but update and insert. So if you want to go and if you want to use something like this, definitely you can go and you can use it. Here you can see we are just creating a document. You can see this, we are creating a document, restaurant, which where we are inserting all these things, right? All these things we are inserting in that. And then we are using replace one again. See, replace one is a method with the help of which you can replace. So maybe in our case, we already have the document. So what we can do is we can replace in our document instead of creating a new document itself. See everyone, this replace one. Replace one is easy basically. It's not difficult. If you want to replace the whole document itself, you can use it. See how. Name central per cafe. Instead of that, they have given something like this, right? So let me show you. Let me get an example. Let's say db dot inventory dot find. This particular collection you already have anyway, right? So where I have what everyone here, I have something like item as canvas, right? So what I will do is name central per cafe. Instead of this, name central per cafe. Something like this they have done. So we'll just try to do something similar here. If you want to go and if you want to create a new document itself, you can create this one here. Or otherwise, let me show you. We'll go with this. Replace. How basically replace works. See. We'll create a new document itself anyway, no problem. Okay. So this is first document. So there are 3 documents basically. 1, this whole thing 2 and 3. Let me see. So I am creating a collection named as restaurant in which we have certain documents. Let me see if it is fine. Okay, it is not copied properly. You can see it. Violations. This is not copied properly. It will definitely show me error. Okay. Violations :5. Violations :5. And then curly square and parenthesis. Curly square and parenthesis. Yes. Now it is inserted. So now see everyone db dot restaurant1 dot find. Okay, restaurant1 is our collection. I will send this particular command to you as well, everyone, in the chat box. You can check this. Just make sure all of you, you remove that dot. You need to remove that dot. If someone by chance is executing all these things along with me, you just need to remove those dot. These dots. I hope you understand this. Okay, so I am sending this command to you now in the chat box. By chance, if someone is following me till now, you will also be able to do this. Check this out. It will run. So everyone see, what are we going to do is the name. Name is what? Central Per Cafe. Okay. And borrow is Manhattan. So instead of this name Central Per Cafe, we will make it as Central Per Cafe. Or I will change the name to Nagar Maharashtra. I think you will understand it. Okay. And let me see everyone. We are replacing this document wherever there is name as Central Per Cafe. We are replacing that document with this document. Understand it. Okay, I copied this. Let me go here. You go, you check it out even. Find if I do. I have this particular document. Your name is Central Per Cafe and borrow is Manhattan. And other things are also there. So I am going to replace this whole document with new document like this. Replace one. Okay. Enter. So can you see everyone? Match count is 1. Modified count is 1. And now if I go and if I try to find, you will see that name is Nagar Maharashtra. Name is Nagar Maharashtra. We change it. We basically replace the earlier document with this document. Is it clear, everyone? This command also I will send it in the chat box. Replace one. So we have seen creating, updating, deleting, inserting, replacing a document, and we have seen how to go and how to validate a document. Is it clear, all of you? The last one as well. Replace. Okay, fine. So fine. Okay. Anyone, any question till now? Like any doubt, anyone? किसी को कुछ question पूछना है? Any doubt, any question, anything? Anyone wants to ask? How the dollar type differs from dollar type is specifically for data types. Sanket. Dollar type is specifically for data types: integer, float, string, boolean, imaginary numbers, and so on. Regex is in general. Regex is for what? Finding out certain pattern. Regex works for a pattern. Sanket. Getting my point? Regex ये पैटर्न फाइंड आउट करने के लिए होता है, और डॉलर टाइप जो होता है ना, टाइप एक कीवर्ड है बेसिकली. तो टाइप ये डेटा टाइप के लिए होता है. आपका डेटा किस टाइप का है? इंटीजर या फ्लोट है या कैरेक्टर या स्ट्रिंग है या डबल है या फिर लाइक बुलियन है. आर यू गेटिंग संकेत? डेटा टाइप आप समझते हो ना, डेटा टाइप का मतलब क्या होता है, राइट? फाइन. ओके. एनी अदर क्वेश्चन, एनीवन? एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? फाइन. फाइन. फाइन एवरीवन. अगर कुछ क्वेश्चन नहीं है तो फाइन. आई होप यू पीपल आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड माय पॉइंट. इसमें भी अगर किसी को डाउट है तो मे बी व्हाट आई विल डू इज आई विल अपलोड दिस रिकॉर्डिंग एवरीवन एंड आई विल शेयर द लिंक विथ यू. इसके बाहर अगर निकलना है एवरीवन तो टाइप एग्जिट. once again type exit. You will come out of this. Okay. और ये MongoDB compass तो आपको पता है how to close it. Just simply go close it. That's it. Close the text file. Right. So I hope ये सबको समझ में आया है. ये recording, if you are interested, I will share this recording. Maybe I will share the link with sir, and maybe you will get it everyone. Let me upload this recording. Later on you can work. ये फाइल आपके पास ऑलरेडी है. जो भी फाइल हमने दिया है ये फाइल आपके पास ऑलरेडी है. अब बाकी आप ऑपरेशंस करके देखें. ओके. सो फाइन. थैंक यू एवरीवन. देन इट्स रियली नाइस टू टॉक विथ ऑल ऑफ यू. होप यू विल मीट इन द कमिंग सेशंस एज वेल, एंड आई होप you will come up with the questions. Okay. Thank you all of you. Then I will stop here. It's very nice to talk with you everyone. Okay. Thank you everyone. Bye.